walking down the street where shadows meet the light. Every step a story, every breath a fight. The pavement's got a rhythm, the city's got a beat, in the echoes of the alleys where the past and future meet. Raindrops fall like whispers on this concrete sea, telling tales of old, setting the wanderer free. In the silence of the storm I find my way, with a heart wide open, come what may. Life's a canvas, painted in shades of gray. With every stroke of fate, we find our own way. Through the maze of moments, trials and tears, we carve our own path, facing all our fears. Raindrops fall like whispers on this concrete sea, telling tales of old, setting the wanderer free. In the silence of the storm I find way, setting the wanderer free. In the silence of the storm I find my way, with a heart wide open, come what may. Time's a river flowing, relentless and fast, carrying the dreams of futures and the ghosts of the past. In the stillness of the night, beneath the moon's soft glow, we find the strength to rise, to learn, to grow. In the dance of shadows, in the play of light, we seek the truth hidden in the night. With every beat of the heart, with every breath we take, we write our own story in the choices we make. Raindrops fall like whispers on this concrete sea, telling tales of old, setting the wanderer free. In the silence of the storm I find my way, with a heart wide open, come what may. So here's to the journey, the unknown and the known, to the seeds of wisdom in the winds of life's own. In the quiet of the night we find our voice, in the tapestry of life we make our choice.